Hey guys, today I'll be talking about how to change clothes using AI. You can use Firefly for free by clicking the link in the description. And then you need to get registered, click on sign in and get registered. After getting registered, click on explore Firefly and you will be on this page. You'll scroll down and click on generative fill. After coming on this page, you need to upload an image. I'll upload this image. Now I'll click on brush setting. I'll increase the hardness. And decrease the size. Now I'll select the shirt. Okay, so after selecting the shirt, you can add what you want. I'll write a denim jacket. And then I'll click on generate. Okay, so here are the results. It has given me three options. You can see these all are looking so cute. I'll go with the first one and then I'll click on download. This is how you can change your clothes with AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.